Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Chinese with Candice. This is Candice 老师. Today I'm gonna teach you 20 common Chinese phrases about greetings for daily use. These phrases gonna help you to start a good conversation with Chinese. First thing you need to know about pronouncing is that spoken Chinese is a tonal language, which means a different tone equals to a different meaning. There are 5 tones in Mandarin. For main tones, plus 1 a deep emphasize neutral tone. I'm gonna use an example to teach you guys how to pronounce the 5 tones. For example, the alphabet A, we call it A in pinyin. So, is the first tone. It also be called flat tone. See, it's a straight line. Please repeat after me. Ah is the second tone. We also call it rising tone. You're gonna raise the pitch a little bit. Ah is the third tone, falling rising tone. It's kind of like a U-turn. Your pitch goes down first, then up. The fourth tone, also being called falling tone. Please repeat after me. Is the fifth tone. We also call it neutral tone. It's also the lowest sound tone. After learning the 5 tones, now we're gonna start to learn today's 20 common Chinese phrases about greetings for daily use. This imagine it's the first time you meet with your Chinese friend. What you gonna say at the beginning? Good. We're gonna say hello, right? So, the first phrase is 你好你好你好 means hello. Please repeat after me. 你好 Sometimes you can hear that some people pronounce 你好你好 because there are some tone changing rules. But you know, the second rising tone and the third falling rising tone, they kind of sound similar to each other. So no matter you're gonna pronounce 你好 or 你好, people gonna understand you. So you can greet people using 你好 at any time. And also we Chinese like to express hello depending on the time we meet the person. If we meet up in the morning, we say 早上好早上好早上好 It means good morning. If it's afternoon, we say 下午好下午好下午好 means good afternoon. So 下午 means afternoon. If it's evening or night, we say 晚上好，晚上好。See, it's not difficult, right? Please follow me again. 晚上好，晚上好。If you want to go to bed to sleep, you're gonna say 晚安，晚安，晚安 means good night. If we greet the people, use hello. What are we gonna say next? How are you in English, right? In Chinese, is 你好吗？你好吗？你好吗？ The answer to 你好吗 is 我很好，我很好，我很好。If you want to thank the person, you can say 谢谢，谢谢，谢谢 means thank you. Please repeat after me. 谢谢，谢谢。If you wanna ask back, you can say 你呢？你呢？你呢？你呢 means and you. Comparing to greet people with how are you in Chinese, sometimes we prefer nice to meet you. 很高兴见到你，很高兴见到你，很高兴见到你。It means nice to meet you. There is another special custom in some cities. We greet people by asking, "Did you eat?" Because eating is a very important thing for living. 你吃了吗？你吃了吗 means did you eat? The answer to this question should be I ate. 我吃了。我吃了。我吃了 means I ate. Please repeat after me. 我吃了。我吃了。If you want to know the person's name, it should be 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ This means what's your name? 名字 means the name. When introducing the name, you can say 我叫，我叫 我叫 means my name is. So you can add your name after this phrase. For example, 我叫 Candice. Now you can try to add your name after this. 我叫 Good. If somebody said thank you to you, you'll need to say you're welcome in English, right? 不客气 in Chinese. We have a little bit tone changing rule in Chinese, like I mentioned before. If two falling tone words are together, the first one should be changed to the rising tone. So, it's 不客气，不客气，不客气。If you're gonna welcome someone, we say 欢迎，欢迎，欢迎。欢迎 means welcome. Please repeat after me. 欢迎。If you're gonna say goodbye to the person, you can say 再见，再见，再见 means goodbye. If you're gonna say goodbye to your colleagues on Friday, you can say 周末愉快，周末愉快，周末愉快. It means have a nice weekend. They're gonna be surprised by your Chinese if you express in this way. If you wanna keep in touch with the person, you can say 保持联系，保持联系，保持联系. It means stay in touch. Please repeat after me. 保持联系. Or we can say 下次见，下次见，下次见. It means see you next time. 下次见. Congratulations, guys! We have already finished 20 common Chinese phrases for greeting people. You can try to use these phrases after class. You can also share the video with your friends who are interested in learning Chinese. And you are also welcome to give your suggestions about the video down below the comment area. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Bye bye. 下次见.
They don't have to say it.